If you didn't show up to work tomorrow, would society actually notice? Or would the world keep moving exactly as it is? We've been sold $1 trillion lie. Right now, millions of people are being paid six-figure salaries to attend meetings about meetings, update spreadsheets that no one reads, and justify roles that shouldn't exist. From corporate goons to professional box tickers, we have entered the age of the bullshit job. In the 1930s, economists predicted that by now, technology would have gifted us a 15-hour workweek. The technology arrived, but the leisure never did. Instead, we saw the explosion of a massive administrative layer, an army of middle managers and consultants whose primary output is the performance of being busy. We have created 5 distinct classes of uselessness. There are the flunkies, who exist only to make their superiors feel important. The goons, who act as a human arms race for companies that don't trust each other. The duct tapers, hired to manually fix systemic problems that could be automated in an afternoon. The box tickers, who produce reports that vanish into a digital void. And finally, the taskmasters, who create unnecessary work just to justify their own existence. Capitalism is supposed to be efficient, yet we reward managers for the size of their staff rather than the value of their results. We have built a world where inefficiency is prestige. This isn't just an economic glitch, it's a psychological tragedy. To spend the finite hours of your life on labor that achieves nothing is a quiet drain on the human spirit. We are trading our time for a paycheck that requires us to pretend we care about nothing. The system isn't broken. It's designed to keep you occupied. It's time to stop believing the lie and start questioning why we are working so hard to produce so little.